in Maricopa County in south central Arizona. This includes the city of Gila Bend until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:38 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected 2 severe